Hey everybody, it's Andy. Today we're going to talk about the Garage Built Gear Ultimate EDC Organizer Folio Pouch. I'm going to go over the pouch, what I have in it, and how it fits in some backpacks that I have with me on hand. If you like content like this and want to see more, please smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. It really helps me out. Without further ado, let's talk about the pouch. The company Garage Built Gear was founded by a guy named Mike over in Tennessee. He hand sews all of his products, and they're all made in the USA 100%. The Ultimate EDC Organizer is made from a combination of 100D and 500D Cordura with a blazing orange interior that you'll see there too. Over here on the front, we have this nice zip Velcro panel if you want to attach something, followed by a tag for Garage Built Gear with the website on the back and a Made in the USA tag. Over here we have a little pouch where I just have a hotel room key right now, and that goes all the way down to the bottom for the width of the pouch. Across the outside we have this nice large number 9 sized YKK zipper, and it has these zipper pulls that are a piece of cord with some heat shrink tubing aside, and these move very smoothly. On the back we have some more Velcro over here, along with a long zipper compartment that goes the length of the bag. Over here I carry some things that I might need quick access to, like some hand sanitizer and my pills. Now let's take a look inside the pouch. Alright, so opening the pouch, these zippers, they're very smooth zippers, probably some of the smoothest that I've had. And they even go a bit farther in, so it tucks behind if you really want to keep that open. On the inside, we have an assortment of organization. Over here we have 2 mesh zipper pockets where I'm able to keep things like my Logitech MX Anywhere mouse, my Aki 65 watt power connector, or power brick for my computer, and this Anker battery pack. I also, down here, have an armband and my first aid kit. These pouches are pretty big. The mesh is pretty sturdy mesh, similar to what you'd see on the inside of a GoRec bag. And the zippers, like the exterior ones, are very smooth. Over on this side, we have another zipper pouch where I have this dongle that I use for my computer. And then we have a series of elastic bands. It's the sort where you have the gray band that goes in the back and then these black ones in front of it. These are good if you have knives or flashlights that you like sticking in, where you can have the clip under here while the body is behind there. But all I have today are cables. Over here we have a just an Apple Thunderbolt cable, a USB-C cable, and an Apple Watch charger. And you saw how I was able to put some behind all the way while others in here. It's really flexible options, and this elastic is pretty sturdy, so it's not going to give out anytime soon. Finally, we have a large no elastic, no zip pocket where I can fit a tablet. This is a Amazon Fire 8, and that fits in there with no problem. So overall, I'm able to fit a lot of stuff in here. This is pretty much everything that I carry with me, and I was able to fit in the bag without any problems. It seemed like there was a spot for everything. All right, so now let's see, where would this fit in some bags? Here I have a Recycled Firefighter 24-hour battalion pack, and this easily fits in the main compartment, but we can also get it in this sort of front slash pocket, like that. Going over to another, on a GoRec GR1, we're able to fit this, all full in the slash pocket in the front, and that zips just fine. And then one more bag I had on hand is, this is a Tombin Cynic 30, and it actually fits really well in the side pocket, and I can stick that and this other pouch with my headphones, and that's a nice, everything but the laptop right there. The Ultimate EDC Organizer by Garage Built Gear is a great little pouch where you can fit a magnitude of things. You saw I was able to fit my entire everything but the laptop setup for things I'd carry with me, and I think that it's actually really handy, and I love the form factor. The measurements on this, it goes a width of 7.5 inches and a height of 12.5, so you saw how it fit in many of the various bags that I had. When it comes to the depth of the bag fully packed, I have this pretty full, and it ended up being, when I measured it, between 3 and 4 inches, around 3.5. But that obviously depends on how much you put in. If you want to get one of these yourself, you can head over to garagebuiltgear.com. They cost about $50 US right now, and I would recommend this if you're looking for an organizer where you can fit a variety of things all in one package. If you like content like this and want to see more, please remember to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment with what you might put in a pouch like this or what you might use instead of it. Thank you very much and have a good day.